Hello everyone. So today we are going to check how a machine learning model actually learns. It uses something called gradient descent. Let me explain it simply. So imagine you are standing on a hill and want to reach the lowest point. So you can look around, take a small step to the downhill, repeat until you reach the bottom. That's exactly how gradient descent works. Gradient descent is an algorithm that reduces errors step by step. Model makes a prediction, calculate how wrong it is, means error, and adjust itself to make a better prediction. So each step makes the model smarter. Look, look at here. Here we have a goal to find minimum number of y is equal to x is to the power 2. When x is equal to 5, which is the starting point, and if we have learning rate of 0.1, so for I in range of 10, gradient is equal to 2 into x. Derivative of x is to the power 2 is 2 into x. So x is equal to x minus learning rate into gradient. And then we have the final step of I plus 1, means for each of the integers, we are providing x is equal to 3.4 and then 3.2, 2.56, 2.048, 1.63, and so on. So x is, we can say, current position on the hill. X is equal to, like I have told you, and gradient is slope direction, means the direction that is going towards, and the update of the value by each step is the step to the downhill. So this is how machine learning model works. So machine learning learns by making mistakes and correcting them step by step. That process is called gradient descent. So thank you for today. That's all.